Welcome back to Learn English with us. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's start today's English lesson together. Hi, James. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Sarah.
Great. Let's start today's lesson.
Today we continue with most common English words. Part 2. We'll learn words for daily actions, simple verbs you use every day.
Great. I love words that help me talk about my day.
Perfect. Let's begin. Let's start with the morning. When you wake up, what do you do? Repeat after me slowly. I wake up. I get up. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
That's exactly my morning.
Mine too. Now let's connect them in full sentences. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to work at 8.
Sounds like a perfect morning routine.
Exactly. And remember, you can change the time, but the verbs stay the same. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. Repeat after me. I have lunch. I work. I write emails. I talk to my friends. I take a break. I drink water. I read a book.
I do almost all of that every day.
Perfect. These verbs describe real life. Now let's put them in small sentences. I have lunch at noon. I talk to my friends after work. I read a book during my break.
That's easy to remember.
Exactly. Now let's play a mini quiz. I'll say the time and you tell me what you do. It's 12 p.m.
I have lunch.
It's 2 p.m. It's 4 p.m.
I take a break.
It's 5 p.m. Excellent. Everyone watching, say it with Sarah at home. Now, evening time. Repeat after me. I come home. I cook dinner. I clean the kitchen. I watch TV. I check my phone. I take a shower. I go to bed.
That's my favorite part of the day. Rest time.
Mine too. Now let's make it more natural. I come home at 6. I cook dinner for my family. I watch TV after dinner. I go to bed at 10.
That's simple and realistic.
Yes, and simple English is powerful English. Now let's mix morning, afternoon, and evening actions together. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I have lunch at noon. I read a book in the afternoon. I cook dinner at night. I go to bed at 10.
That's like telling my whole day.
Exactly. It's how you describe your life in English.
So when people ask, what do you do every day? I can use this.
Perfect. Now let's do a role play.
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early, make coffee, and go to work.
Same here. I take a shower, eat breakfast, and start my day.
Great. Now let's try the afternoon version.
Hey James, what do you do in the afternoon?
I have lunch and read emails. Sometimes I take a walk.
Nice. I read a book or talk to friends.
Excellent. One last. Evening time.
What do you do in the evening, James?
I cook dinner, watch TV, and go to bed early.
I cook too, then listen to music before sleep.
Perfect. That's how real English sounds. Small, clear sentences. Let's review everything from today's lesson. Morning. Wake up, brush, shower, eat, go. Afternoon. Have lunch, work, read, take a break. Evening. Come home, cook, clean, go to bed. Now your challenge. Say your full day in English.
Like this? I wake up at 7, I go to work, I have lunch, I read a book, I cook dinner, I go to bed.
Exactly. And everyone at home, try to do the same after watching.
That was fun and easy.
You see, a few simple words can describe your entire day.
I'll practice this every morning before work.
That's the best habit. Practice a little each day, and soon you'll speak automatically.
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
And remember, small steps every day lead to big progress.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.